Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Combining skills of multiple characters to elegantly traverse otherwise impassable terrains by Felix. Some allies can be actively summoned in the heat of battle by Fallen Tear. Sorry Other Action Games by Jacob. They're in the Walls by the Age of Rust. City of Light by Multiverse Entertainment. Lush underwater gameplay by Crest Ocean System. The Boys Are Holding Weapons Now by Paranox. Full Day-Night Cycle and Changing Weather by Tim. I'm working on some enemy drones by Codeer. When in doubt, use your force field by Guardians. Entertainment interaction and vegetation destruction with 2 new guns by Omelette and Yogurt. New enemy on max aggressiveness can be a bit rough by Yamo Studios. Played alone or with a friend by Awesome Game Studios. Failing Forward by Heredity. The new washing machine character will be available in the next week by Daniel 4D Games. Battle Horde solo or in co-op by Creativo. Shipwrecked on an abandoned space station, what's the worst thing that can happen? By Endless Universe.
Where are you living? Been walking these same dead ends, dying this same death again and again. Prisoner of isolation. Fingers clawing, bleeding through an endless fever haunting you. Someday we'll be free again. Someday we'll be free again. Someday we'll be free again.
First time testing the combat in this new level, the City of Ruins, by Enter the Rave. Jupiter Moons. Mech demo is coming very soon. The link is below. Blaster 2 is a space shooter with 3 different heroes, unique stats, ultimate weapons, and more. Defeat the hordes of enemies available on Google Play Store now. The link is below. Welcome to Ceres. You landed a sweet gig as a mining technician. Now swap those tiles and create a vein of 3 or more matching ores. Available now on the Google Play Store. The link is below. Chilling Atmosphere by Volumetric Games. We added 2 new levels last update by 2x1. Testing this project using point clouds in Unity. by Masatasu. Laser lights in Cubia now travel slower. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.